Are you confused between the Hero Xpulse 204V and the Honda XR 190L? Well, you're not alone. These two bikes have been making waves in Nepal, each with its own set of fervent fans. Both offer unique features, turning the choice into a real head-scratcher for potential buyers. Today, we'll be comparing these two bikes in detail to see which one comes out on top. First, let's take a closer look at the Hero Xpulse 204V. This motorcycle is a true embodiment of style and performance. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 200cc 4-valve engine that delivers an impressive 18 horsepower, offering a blend of robust power and smooth acceleration. The Hero Xpulse 204V stands out in the fuel efficiency department too, promising a commendable mileage that makes it a top choice for long rides. But it's not just about power and efficiency. Comfort is also a major highlight. The bike features a spacious and well-cushioned seat, ensuring a comfortable ride even on the bumpiest of terrains. What really sets the Xpulse 204V apart, however, are its standout features: the fully digital speedometer, single-channel ABS, and the LED headlamp for better visibility. The Hero Xpulse 204V surely makes a strong case for itself, but how does it compare to the Honda XR 190L? Now, it's time to turn our attention to the Honda XR 190L. This motorcycle is well known for its robust engine, a 1-cylinder, 2-valve, air-cooled 184.4cc powerhouse that delivers a smooth ride across all terrains. It generates an impressive 15.6 horsepower and 15.7 nanometers of torque, offering a remarkable balance of power and control. Fuel efficiency is another key attribute of the Honda XR 190L, making it a perfect companion for those long rides. It boasts a commendable mileage of around 35 to 45 kilometers per liter under optimal conditions. When it comes to comfort, the XR 190L doesn't disappoint. Its ergonomic design, coupled with a long, comfortable seat and high ground clearance, guarantees a comfortable ride, whether you're on city streets or rough terrains. Other standout features include its robust suspension system, dual-purpose tires, and a large fuel tank capacity of 12 liters, perfect for those extended adventures. The Honda XR 190L also has some impressive features. But how does it stack up against the Hero Xpulse 204V? Having looked at both bikes individually, it's time to put them head-to-head. The Hero Xpulse 204V and the Honda XR 190L, two motorcycles that have captured the hearts of riders in Nepal. Let's start with the engines. The Hero Xpulse 204V boasts a 199.6cc engine, while the Honda XR 190L comes with a 184.4cc engine. This gives the Xpulse a slight edge in terms of raw power, making it the better choice for those who crave a bit more speed and acceleration. In terms of braking, both bikes feature disc brakes at the front and rear. The Xpulse, however, also offers single-channel ABS, a feature that the XR 190L lacks. This gives the Xpulse an added advantage in terms of safety and control. Moving on to fuel efficiency, the Honda XR 190L shines. With a reported mileage of around 40 kilometers per liter, it outperforms the Xpulse, which delivers around 35 kilometers per liter. For those long rides and commutes, the XR 190L will keep you on the road for longer before you need to refuel. In terms of comfort, both bikes have their merits. The Xpulse has a higher seat height, which might be more comfortable for taller riders. The XR 190L, on the other hand, has a softer suspension, which could make for a smoother ride on rough terrains. Finally, let's talk about price. The Hero Xpulse 204V comes in at a lower price point than the Honda XR 190L, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. As you can see, both bikes have their strengths and weaknesses. The Hero Xpulse 204V excels in power, braking, and price, while the Honda XR 190L shines in fuel efficiency and comfort. But which one is the overall winner? That, dear riders, is a decision only you can make. based on your individual needs and preferences. Thank you for sticking with us as we compared the Hero Xpulse 204V and the Honda XR 190L. We hope this comparison has given you a clearer idea of what each bike has to offer. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these two powerful machines do you prefer? Do you lean towards the raw power and safety features of the Xpulse, or do you prefer the fuel efficiency and comfort of the XR 190L? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. We are always excited to hear your opinions and experiences. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow bike enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest comparisons and reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons, and remember, whether you're riding the streets in the city or taking on the rough terrains up in the mountains, ride safe. Until next time, keep the rubber side down